Imperia teaches you how to prepare good, authentic, homemade pasta in a simple, enjoyable and fun way. To prepare approximately 500 grams of dough, you will need just 2 ingredients. 350 grams of plain or durum wheat flour and 2 large eggs. And here's how we prepare the dough. Place the flour on a work surface and make a well in the center of the mound. Break and add the 2 eggs. Mixing the yolks and whites with a fork. Then gradually add the flour so that the 2 ingredients are evenly blended. This is the fun part. As you feel the dough becomes well blended and soft, you will experience the joy of creating something with your own hands. Water, which should be warm, is another essential ingredient for a successful dough. Just add a few drops in order to soften the dough. And so the natural ingredients are slowly mixed together. Knead the dough gently but firmly until soft. Now that you have a perfect dough, it should be left to stand for approximately 30 minutes in a bowl. Cover the bowl to prevent the dough from drying out too quickly. In the meantime, you can set up your Imperia pasta machine for use. Imperia Pasta Presto means good homemade pasta in style. Functional and is available in both manual and motorized versions. Its sophisticated design is the perfect complement to the functionality and tradition of Imperia. Beneath the protective lid, a single unit contains both the pasta sheet rollers and the cutters for tagliatelle and fettuccine. Imperia Pasta Presto is an elegant addition to your modern kitchen and is always ready to use, enabling you to experience a wide range of traditional flavors. When the dough is first passed through the machine, make sure that the rollers are wide open by adjusting the knob. The sheet should then be folded and passed through the machine several times. Make sure that you dust the pasta with flour each time you repeat the operation. Delicious homemade pasta, authentic tagliatelle and excellent fettuccine. Pasta Presto can make them all with the greatest of ease. All thanks to Imperia's long-standing experience, which spans almost a century. Imperia Pasta Presto has all the right ingredients to win you over. Obviously, you can use the whole range of Imperia accessories with Pasta Presto. Imperia Simplex cutters for round spaghetti, capelli d'angelo, tagliatelle, trenette, fettuccine, lasagnette, pappardelle, and the special frilled reginette. With Imperia, you can use the pasta sheet you have just prepared to make delicious ravioli with the filling of your choice. The Imperia Ravioli Maker attachment is available in 2 different versions for 3 small ravioli or 2 large. In the box you will find a brush, a cutter, a hopper and the ravioli maker. First, attach the ravioli maker to the Imperia pasta roller. It couldn't be easier. Now let's get ready to make ravioli with ravioli maker. Take a sheet of pasta and cut it into suitably sized strips using the cutter. These strips should then be positioned on the hopper. Watch carefully. Now let's move on to the filling, the true heart of any ravioli. Choose between mincemeat and herbs, ricotta and spinach, ham and mozzarella. In other words, the filling you like best. Place the filling you have prepared at the center of the hopper. Do not use too much or too little. The filling should be added a little at a time. Once again, watch carefully. With some practice and a little skill, the ravioli will start to shape up as if by magic. They will be the most delicious ravioli you have ever tasted. But we're not done yet. Imperia would like to help you make gnocchi too. Not 10, not 100, but 1,000 mille gnocchi. With mille gnocchi, it's easy to make a large amount of perfect and delicious gnocchi. Take a piece of dough, flatten it and roll it with your hands in order to form soft breadsticks, the size of your little finger. Now insert the first pasta breadstick between the wooden rollers of mille gnocchi and turn the handle. And click, 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 a cascade of gnocchi sardi will appear, one after another, or rigatelli with horizontal grooves, or traditional cavatelli, all perfectly formed. Tens, hundreds and thousands of gnocchi for a host of delicious dishes. Imperia, Italian quality and tradition since 1932.